I started my career in the telecommunications industry where I was an internal auditor. I started with commercial auditing and then moved on to specializing in fraud analytics. I then moved on to the regulatory space where I began as an associate supervisor and was recently promoted to supervisor. I enjoy that I continuously learn something new every time I start a new review. When supervising financial institutions, you get to learn about their operations, their culture, and most importantly, their controls. And specializing in financial crime and fraud, it actually gives you the opportunity to not only learn about complex crimes, but realize that it actually affects everyday people. I think for me, being someone new in the financial space and having peers who have had years of experience under their belt, completing a formal qualification actually helped me get ahead and catch up to those who were more experienced. As an ICA member, you're not only given opportunity to access the excellent material that's available, but you're also able to connect to like-minded individuals who are also in the similar compliance landscape as you are. So through the workshops, tutorials, make sure you take advantage of it by taking the chance to network and meet these other people to gain fresh perspective. Those who are just starting out in their career, don't underestimate the value of a qualification. They can help you in so many ways in your career. So aside from it being a representation of your comprehension on a subject matter, it is also a testament of your hard work and determination in order to achieve your goals.